Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to download songs from Spotify to listen to them offline. So to do this, first of all, you need to go to Spotify, and I should mention that for this method to work for you, you should have a premium account. You should have a paid account. This method is not for free accounts. So you have two choices to do this. The first one is to go to an existing playlist. For example, I will go to this playlist, and in that playlist, as you can see in the top of the playlist, there is download button. So by clicking on it, it will start downloading all the songs in that playlist. This is the first option. And the second option is to create a playlist by yourself and to put music on it and to download that music. So to create a playlist, you just need to click on your library, and after that click on the plus button and click on create playlist. And after that, for example, I will call it test and click on create. And after that, I will start adding songs to that playlist. For example, I added that song to playlist, and as you can see, we have on the top of it as always that download button. And as you can see, we downloaded this song in our phone and we can listen to it offline. So like I told you, it's an easy method, but you need a paid account to do it, or a premium account to do it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.